Hi, I'm Liz. I'm a pelvic floor physical therapist that helped to develop the Kegel. You can use the Kegel with or without an app, but if you'd like to use it with the app, I'm going to show you how. Kegel provides real-time tactile feedback in response to your Kegel exercises, so it can be used with or without the Kegel smartphone app. However, the product really shines when used together with the app. The app allows you to visualize your exercises in real time, follow along with the customized workouts, and see your progress over time. I'd like to show you the app and show you what I love about it. After you've logged into Kegel, go into the settings to connect the Kegel. Underneath Bluetooth connection, press the connect button. It will be important that the Kegel is on. You'll see the blue light come on, and now you'll know you're connected. If you'd like to change the feedback settings, you can do so under Feedback. Just swipe it to the left if you'd like to turn it off, or to the right if you'd like to turn different aspects of the feedback on. Then you can go straight into your workout. Select the workout you'd like to do. Then press Start 5-minute workout. It will ask you to squeeze as hard as you can for a full 10 seconds. This calibrates the program that you'll be doing for your exercises. Once the 10 seconds is up, it's time to relax. It tells you to rest and get ready for the next long squeeze. The bar will go up and give me a target that I need to hit by squeezing my pelvic floor muscles. Once it goes back down to 0, I relax. Next, it will tell me that there are fast squeezes. Now I have to be ready. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. This can be tricky the first time, but you'll get it. Now it's time for controlled squeezes. I'm going to do my best to squeeze and relax so that my blue line matches the purple line as it goes up and down. At the end of your workout, it will take you to the workout summary page, where it will give you a score that's a composite of 3 different factors. Strength, which is important for the power of your pelvic floor muscles. Control, which is important in stability, balance, and posture. And endurance, which is important for activities like hiking and running. It's really important that you get a good score in all 3 components in order to increase your overall score.